Bon, ben aujourd'hui, on va descendre une rivière qu'on n'a jamais faite. Il n'y a pas beaucoup d'eau dedans, puis ça va être le fun.
Don't let money change ya.
This is a story of a kid, his name is Cisco, who made more money than the Count of Monte Cristo. He lived a lavish style of life, fast money, women, cars, and he liked to frequent bars, pubs, and discos. Made his living as a world famous rap star. When he first started, Mike respects what he was after. And so he got inside his mind day and night, and he write constantly his art and craft he tried to master. Started winning local battles and his rep grew. Gave his crew a reputation as the best crew. And what life would do to him, all the cards that was hard, pen and pad, stress relief would be his refuge. Paid his dues doing shows, now he's on track. In the lab, pumping demos, making songs fat. Then he quit his 9 to 5, finally his time arrived when he signed a major label record contract. His first single was an overnight success hit, and now he went from wearing rags to the best fits. All his new acquaintances gassed his head, taking it to the point where he lost proper perspective. Started cutting off the people he came up with. Ego blown like his soul had been abducted. Though his heart was once real, now material was filled up his world, and he couldn't get enough of it. Used to wanna be the best of the rap dons. Now his only one concern is going platinum. And his skill has since decreased and the inner hunger ceased. Now content just as long as fame and cash come. He's a big Willie now, rapping about cars. $1,000 shopping sprees, hanging out with stars. I mean, just a year ago he was broke, bumming money, drinking out